Hello, hello, beautiful humans. All right, I know some of you, probably a lot of you, checked out Warp on my live stream a few weeks ago, and I've been curious since diving into Warp and finding out about it. I don't know why I never used it. If we can install 3 different web apps. So I'm going to be using their agent mode and ask questions within Warp. So how do I install? What should we do first? Let's do a Vue app. All right, let's do this. Oh, we've got a few steps and we can actually just hit this button over here to click run and oh, no plus, enter. All right. And we wait. Ba ba da ba da. Ba ba da ba. Mana mana. Ba ba da ba da ba da da ba da da. Okay, there are a lot. But hey, we got it installed. So let's go look. We got to go back up to the top. But look, I can scroll and it's really cool. And I can go back here and just click run command and hit enter. And we're going to do default. Sweet. Oh, this might take a while. Is this Homestar Runner? Ba ba da ba da ba ba da ba mana mana ba ba da ba da ba da. I don't know. It's been stuck in my head for a while. But really cool is we can actually copy this very easily, which is something that a lot of terminals can't do. Yay, we did it. And I know I can type this, but I'm going to copy and paste it because it's been really easy. And we're going to click it. We clicked it. Let's see what happens. All right, so we got our browser. We have a Vue app. Holy bananas. We did it. Done with Vue. We did it. We're done. Donezo. Let's go. Can we go back to moving this over, a React app? So we go cd do it because we just need to be in this one. And can you help me build a React app? Oh, look at this fanciness. All right, npx, let's go. We're going to see how fast it takes us because we already built one app. So we're going for app number 2. Mana. Oh, what's going on? Installing template. Well, I'm curious, like even with reading that, we're just going to say, what happens? Did it work? Because I don't want to read all of that. So let's go run that command. Does it work? Okay. It's there. It exists. So npm start. Oh, snap. Nope. Those runners were very unhappy with us. So a cool thing that I like about this is can't resolve web vitals. Okay, let's get back out of here. And I'm actually going to use this little star right here, attach as agent mode content. So I'm going to use their prompt of what happened here to help us troubleshoot agent. npm install web vitals. Okay, do it. Be my friend. All right, let's see if we can actually do npm start now. Oh, it's already running. Here, there you go. No. Oh my goodness. There you go. What? There's nothing running. This is 8080. Okay, we'll just close it all together. What? Why? Yes, let's use a different port. And Yeah, it went to another screen again, but it's here. Yay! Oh my gosh, we did it. All right, I'm gonna do it again. A new tab. New tabs help. That works. Okay, so we're back at square one. We're good now. So let's do, can you help me install an Astro app? Ooh, okay, I'm gonna make this more complicated. Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. We got to go spy on one of my web pages, .dev. And okay, so this is an Astro theme. So I'm just going to see if we copy these, move it back off screen. I don't know if this is going to work. I think it can do it in a regular Astro like default theme. Can you help me start an Astro app with the, oh, we're going to try it. We're going to try it. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Let's go through them all. So, gotta install Astro latest, which hopefully I have. Yes. Oh, yay. I love Astro. Just so cute. Yes. That's fine. We're going with this. Yes, install. Yeah, we can do a new get. That's fine. Aren't Astro's colors just so pretty when you go install stuff? Do 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 do. Mana mana. All right. So we did what it said to do. Let's go back to. Oh, I don't know what my project directory is. What do we got? Tender telescope. All right, we're going to it. We got into tender telescope. So let's install this theme. What's it gonna do? No, we cannot. Okay. I don't know why this didn't. Oh, why are you not working? What is the theme detail? Let's go look at their instructions. See if I. Yeah. Oh, let's try this one. So we're gonna do the cd ... and hope. Look, it worked that time. Why did it not work earlier? Let's see. I'm curious if this can do like what other LLMs and things can do of like reply to what you were already talking about to tell them what you meant. Ooh, no, but you can share the session. So if I wanted to be like, okay, cool, this is what it told me to do. And if I right click and hit share session, I can share the entire session, just where we're at. We're going to share from the start. Click share. And we can copy this link. And this is pretty cool. Like, even though everything didn't work the way we wanted to, we can actually just like, anybody cannot look at it. What? Why? Okay. We're just running into lots of errors. Let's try sharing this error. I've done that. That's worked. Share block. Cool. Yes. Testing share block. Create link. So this is what I was trying to show you. Bam. It actually shows you like what we did. This has helped a ton while working on other projects with people where I'm like, dude, I ran into this error. Could you take a look at it? So it didn't do exactly what we wanted it to do today, but it was pretty damn close. And I'm excited because there's more to run into and try and experiment with Warp. So thanks for checking it out.